Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create an app registration in the Azure Portal. App registrations are used when you want your application to authenticate with Azure Active Directory, now called Microsoft Entra ID, to access APIs like Microsoft Graph or secure your own APIs. So let's get started. Before we begin, ensure you have an Azure account, access to the Azure Portal, and permission to create app registrations in Microsoft Entra ID. Log in using your Azure credentials. Once you're logged in, just click on Microsoft Entra ID option in Azure Services. This is the identity service where app registrations are managed. Inside Microsoft Entra ID, from the left-hand menu, click on the Manage option, then choose App Registration. Now you can see the list of your existing applications. If I go to All Applications, you can see the complete list of applications. Now to create new app registration, I simply click on the New Registration at top left corner. Now we'll fill in the app registration details. Enter a name for your application. Example, I will name it Test App Registration. Choose supported account types. Who can use this app? In this demo, I will choose accounts in this organizational directory only, single tenant. Redirect URL, optional. If you're building a web or SPA application, select the platform. You can also leave this blank and configure it later. Then finally click on the Register. After registration, you'll see the overview page. Here are some important values. Application Client ID. Directory Tenant ID. These IDs are commonly used in application authentication and configuration files. On the left side menu bar, here you can configure the application's branding properties. You can update the app name, logo, and sign-in page details. In Authentication Preview section, you can configure redirect URLs and login behavior. Certificates and Secrets is the section where we create and manage secure credentials, like client secrets or certificates, that allow this application to authenticate safely with Microsoft Entra ID. Token configuration is where we customize the claims included in ID tokens and access tokens, such as adding optional claims required by the application. API permissions is where we grant the application access to Microsoft Graph or other APIs by selecting the required delegated or application permissions and granting admin consent when needed. Expose an API is where we define custom scopes and application roles so other applications can securely access this app's API. App roles are used to define role-based access control, allowing you to assign specific permissions to users or applications when they access this app. Owners are the users or service principals who have permission to manage and configure this application in Microsoft Entra ID. Roles and administrators shows which directory roles are assigned to this application and who has administrative control over it in Microsoft Entra ID. Manifest is the JSON configuration file where you can view and modify advanced application settings, such as permissions, roles, and authentication behavior. In the Overview section, if I click on Endpoints, you can see all the authentication and authorization endpoint URLs for this application. And that's it. You've successfully created an Azure App Registration and discussed how to configure it. This app registration can now be used for authentication with Azure AD and Microsoft Graph. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.